storytelling skills in the business. Communication is very important tool in the daily life, in your business, and in your social life also. Communication helps to transfer your information and your idea to other persons. They may be your students, your clients, anyone. So storytelling is also a skill which helps to engage the audience so they can listen to you, and they can listen to you and they can understand your idea. You can engage your customer or client by good communication skills, and this will help to transfer your idea or your the product information to customers. So sharing a personal experience or explaining your concept or any other skill which you are providing to the customers, so you need communication. You need very good communication skill. This is a skill which is crucial in both academic and everyday life. Communication is a process actually which helps to exchange information, idea, or feelings with others. So with the help of communication, you can express your feelings, express your experiment information which you have, and you can guide other persons so they can get knowledge and they can be useful from your information. This communication may be verbal, or it may be in the form of text, in the form of writing, speaking, non-verbal, like you can use your gestures, your facial expressions, your body language. So these are also the part of communication skills. Your body language is plays very important part in your communication skills. Good communication involves clearly conveying your message and actively listening to others. In this thing, it is clear that you have to convey your message clearly to others, and in response you have to take feedback from others. You have to listen to them, what they are talking to you, if they are positive or if they are negative, whatever they are speaking, but you have to listen to them. There is an example. Imagine you have a class project and you have to present your project to your classmates, and you have to show what you have done in your project. So you need communication. You will transfer your information about the project with the help of communication. There are 3 steps, 3 things you need for communication to transfer your information to other students. First one is clear speaking, good body language, and listening. Number 1, the clear speaking. Clearly you have to convey your information to others in the easy manner, in easy language, and you can also use your images, or you can use video in your presentation, which will help to understand by others. Good body language. Good body language is also very important in this case. You can use good gestures, you can maintain your eye contact with others, and you can stand with confidence in front of others. So it will show that your work is worthy. Listening. Listening is also very important. After when you have transferred your information to others, now it is done that you are going to answer the questions of other persons. So addressing questions from the audience and considering their feedback, you have to listen their questions and then you will give them feedback. You will take their feedback, so you will know how your project is going in front of other persons. Communication and storytelling skills. Storytelling is also art of communication, which involves using words, images, and emotions to create a narrative that engages the audience. So, storytelling, in the storytelling, you use words. This is verbal communication, and you can also use images with the help of your presentation. You can also use videos, and the emotions is the part of body language. Your body language will show emotions to the audience. So these things also help in the communication, of good communication. These are the way of good communication, and it has very good impact on audience. Well crafted story is the style of your story which you are telling, and this story will help to engage your customers, that they are listening to you properly, and they are not focusing on other things. They are not getting bored with your communication, with your story. So your idea, if it is complex, you should presenting any complicated thing, complicated project or product to the audience which they are not able to understand, then this is your bad communication. This is the fault of your communication skill. So you have to tell them story in a way that they can get your information, they can get your idea easily. You are making the complex things very simple, just like a story. Effective storytelling can enhance your argument by making it more engaging and persuasive. So during storytelling, you can ask them questions, and you will also get the feedback from the with the help of this questioning and arguments from the audience. We can check example. For example, if we know that plastic bags are banned, so if you are telling this story to the student, you can take them to the beach for the visit, where they will observe themselves that there is a negative impact of plastic waste on the marine life. So they can make arguments, and which are more reliable and convincing. Developing communication and storytelling skills. So these are the steps and these are the tips with the help of which we can develop a good communication and storytelling skills that will help to transfer our information to other persons easily. They will understand your idea. First one is the practice regularly. The more you speak, the more you tell the stories, more the confidence you will gain. With the help of confidence, then you are able to transfer your idea to others easily. Secondly, know your audience. When you are going to address your audience, you have to take their information first, that who they are, what is their age, what is their interest, their education level, and everything. You should know their language also, so that you can speak to them in their own language, in their native language maybe. So if they are Urdu speaking and you are teaching them, you are speaking to them in English, so it will be not good communication. You are not going to give your idea properly to them. So you have to first know if they are your classmates, teachers, or family members, who they are. Third one is use visual aids. Visual aids are very important. You learn more with the help of visual aids, and instead of just listening. Visual aids are very important tools. So these includes the pictures, diagrams. You can use props, which will help to make your story more attractive, engaging, and easy to understand. We can see that we in the during the presentation on slides, we use images, we use videos as well. Then there is point: be clear and concise. You should be clear and concise about your topic, about your information, about idea you are going to present. So just focus on your information, avoid the unnecessary details. Just focus on what you want, what is the message you are going to convey. Then show emotions. Emotions are very important. These make the things natural. If your voice is and facial expressions are confident, if this shows that how you feel about the topic, this makes your communication more authentic and reliable, and people listen to your topic more interestingly. Collaboration and iteration. Iteration means repeating process with a aim of getting closer to the desired result. It involves changes and improvements. Repeating a process again and again, it will help to get the desired result. It will get the perfection. Practice make the things perfect. And with the help of changes, when you are repeating the things, it will help in the changes and will help to improve the things. For example, during cooking, if you are cooking regularly any dish, at the end of the day you will be a perfect cook in this recipe. For example, suppose your class is designing a new logo and for any school event, and there is an initial design, and when any student, when this design is shared by the student with their classmates, and they will get the opinion, they will get the feedback. For example, a student is designing a new logo as a project, and during its designing, when it is in the initial stage, where the initial design is shared with the classmates, and he will get opinions and feedback from the classmates. These feedback will help to improve the design. He can adjust the colors and shape of the logo. So the feedback is very important, and this cycle of designing, gathering feedback, and then refining the continues until the final logo is obtained and everyone approves that logo. So this process illustrates the iteration. Iteration helps in perfection and to get the desired results. Importance of collaboration and iteration is that collaboration and iterations are very important, because these help to you for producing the better results and learn from the others with the help of feedback. When you are presenting your idea or project to the others, you are getting their opinion and their arguments and their feedback. So this will help to improve when you are getting so many ideas for the improvement, you will work again and again on your logo or your design or your project, and finally you will get the best results. Similarly, it will help to make your complex task to convert into the simple task. Iteration helps you to refine your work, making it better with each step. At every step, when you are getting feedback from others, you are getting more ideas, and the brainstorming will provide you good the strategies, good the ideas and good solutions. So the obviously when you are using good solutions, you are getting good results. Example is in many cities and towns across Pakistan, community members often come together for clean up drive. Initially, they plan where to start and which are the areas which need the most attention, and they work together. So they, when they are working together, they may realize that there are some tasks which are longer and expect more focus, so they can adjust their plans, they can iterate their plans, and if they are working together, this is the collaboration. And when they are working together with the help of collaboration, and finally they will clean the whole area. They will start from the area which are more filthy, and then they will go to the other areas by cleaning the past one. Innovation and creativity. Innovation is the result of idea. When you have any problem, you work on that problem, and as a result of solution or result, you invent something. Your innovation and creativity are the essential skills which drive the progress and improvement in our world. So innovation brings comfort and improvement in our world. This innovation is the result of any idea. These concepts involve thinking outside the box, coming up with new ideas and finding unique solutions to the problem. So we can apply this innovation in every day of life, in every field of life. Innovation is the process of developing new ideas. There may be any kind of problem in any field of the life, and when we are going to solve this problem, we get any idea, and the result of that solution, we get obviously an innovation. This change is very significant, and it is not just because inventing something entirely new, but also improving the existing thing to make them better, faster, or more efficient. So we can say that invention is not only the name of only inventing something new. You can also work on the existing thing, and you can improve its working. For example, in mobile banking, previously people were used to visit bank and for their transaction and for paying their utility bills. That was very time consuming and inconvenient for the persons who are commonly from the rural areas, because there are not too much banks available in that areas. So after the mobile banking services, people started performing transaction with the help of their mobile apps, by sending and receiving money, and with they paying their bills and managing their other banking activities directly from the mobile phone. So it is now the part of your life, and everyone is using mobile banking these days. They are now used to of this app, which is very helpful for their daily life, and it is very fast and helps to save your time. Innovation and creativity. Creativity is an ability to think anew. Creativity is think something new or in an original way. Creativity should be your own idea. It should not be copied. So generate any idea which is different from the normal. routine, normal norms. Creativity is not limited to artists or inventors. Are not only the artists or inventors who think, and there are so many researchers who are inventing something. There may be students, there maybe that may be any teacher who is creating something. The singers also create songs, and the poets are creating their poetry. So these all things are ideas and creations, their creations, and they are the creation is their asset, and it is very valuable for them. It is valuable skill in every field, from science, engineering, and education, and many in many other fields. Many Pakistani businesses use creativity in the marketing strategy to attract customers. Similarly, in other fields in Pakistan, business persons are also using creativity. Creativity in the sense of it may be in the sense of it is in the sense of manufacturing in their processes, their marketing strategies also. Creativity is also in their packaging, the packaging of their products, selling their products, selling online. Everything is creativity. They are doing their processes in different ways. If any person is doing its process in very unique and different way, it is very valuable, and people attract toward that business. And it not only helps to promote their products, but also helps to in the emotional connection with the audience. How to foster innovation and creativity? Now we have to see, everyone has a potential to be innovative and creative, but the problem is they have to think about it. And the creativity and innovation comes when there is a problem. Usually when there is a problem, they then think about it. They think about their solution of the problem, and in the result there may be something new invention, which is creative. Here are some ways to develop these skills. So anyone can create or invent if he or she is. So everyone has the potential to become innovative, and we can develop creativity skills with the help of these steps. First one is be curious. Ask question about what you are seeing, what you are observing or feeling. You should ask the question, what is this, why this is happening, what is the reason behind. So curiosity is the first step to innovation. Then take risk. Do not afraid to try new things. Even if they might not work out first time, you do again and again. After repetition, you can get your results. So many successful innovations come from learning from failures. Do not afraid of failure. Try and try again, and obviously at the end you are going to succeed with the help of Allah.